The SpaceMouse features an advanced 3D controller cap for smooth and precise navigation of your SolidWorks models. Pan, rotate, and zoom simultaneously with effortless control, exploring complex assemblies naturally and staying fully immersed in your design workflow. Navigate confidently through every angle of your model to gain a deeper understanding of your designs and make faster, more informed decisions throughout development. The Quick View buttons put your most used perspectives instantly at your fingertips so you can spend less time searching for views and more time designing. Custom View buttons let you jump instantly to save views, helping you review details faster and accelerating product development. With the keyboard modifiers, you reduce the need to constantly move between mouse and keyboard, keeping commands within easy reach and helping you maintain focus on the task at hand. The programmable function buttons provide quick access to your most used SolidWorks tools. Whether you use the pre-mapped commands or configure your own, they will accelerate repetitive tasks with instant access to the features you use every day. And because these buttons automatically adapt to your current application and environment, the right commands are always available exactly when you need them. Discover the SpaceMouse product line today.